Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. It's my vlog now.
Real wide in it. Yeah. So I switched from my phone to this now. We in here vibing, man. But yeah, I'm out here fixing this thing right here. Oh, I'm putting this together. It's like a little stand or whatever. But yeah, a little stand with like wheels to roll around and stuff. I hope this microphone's plugged in. Sorry about that sound, y'all. I know that's probably. I know y'all probably hate that. But yeah, where the other stand at? Then it got the little wheels. I ain't see where the big trash was to put out here. But why can't I get it out? Alright, but it sits up and it rolls. We'll go ahead and do that. Hold on. Alright, so put all this stuff kind of where it needs to go. Glory of having a private room. If I would have had a shared room, bro, I would not have been able to do all of this. Self-hanging closet thing. I got this little thing right here. If you guys can like see if our focus is on it. Got this right here. Got that for the closet. This is for my pillows. This is for dirty clothes. Got this little one right here. See if it lightens up for y'all. Do I have my autofocus off? No, I have it on. I don't know, we'll see. Is my autofocus on? Yeah, it's on, so we'll see. But that's that, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna stop it to start it. All right, there you go. So now everything's manual, so it'll just do it by itself. I mean auto. Oh. One for this side, one for this side. Under the bed might become my little like hideout, bro. It's like a little hideout. But that's like, oh my god, this is heavy, y'all. I don't know. I feel like if it's this way, there'd be more space. We got teeth, man. See the thing? You already know what it is. For the full-size bed, you know. Back in, yo, like a dorm, bro. This is crazy to me. But I wanted to be comfortable, you know. And y'all know, comfortability is everything. You can't just be, you know what I'm saying, sleeping on any old thing. So, I got the comfortability. Watch this thing flip open. I feel like it's on my door. Wow. Oh, I gotta go get my auntie, y'all. Said she downstairs. All right, y'all coming? All right, we're gonna get her now. I'm gonna feel so much more comfortable using my camera and stuff. Y'all see this, man? It's crazy, bro. This that y'all. You know, this that y'all. You know, big drip. I fell in love with a little bit. Hey. She's literally running.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. It's my vlog now.
Sorry.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're at Derek,
Apartment.
and we're at the hall and for the run by.
All right, y'all. Back at it again. Look at that thing.
So
man.
basically,
in that bed, talking about.
Black too.
What you gonna eat tonight?
I don't know.
Hey, it's Ty Slides on the track. I'm Mr. Who That in all black with a mat. Let's go. Hey, I said deliberately, lyrically, kill a beat with straight delivery. They tell me cool it down like I'm in a room that's just 10 degrees. I can cool it down like the ball they dropped on the Japanese and slides me out your mind. Just calm it down.
They must just kick him out for that. They probably kicked him out from that. He probably got expelled.
Only God knows how. Like his nostrils, wordplay is a killer. Got squaring you like a waffle. You get it from your daddy. Your heart is filled with fill. My cadence kill, making Jesus cry, boy, I'm God till.
I swear to you, that's one box.
Listen, if
There's
you
more.
share, you better sell it.
What? That's it.
I'm a pop star. A venom machine, what that mean, bro? I drop bars. Police get behind me, turn this Beetle to a NASCAR.
Oh, that's gas.
The whip in your backyard, fake call them pseudo.
Bro, I got this, yo. Yeah, you know. This basically the final touch, y'all. I got stuff to do tomorrow. My feet are hurting so bad. My feet are hurting so bad. I'm not done yet. Like, it's like numb. Like I need to get off it. Like this is numb right here. Yeah, let's get off these feet. Good night, y'all. Good morning, familia, man. I got that shit on my face, yo. I got that shit on my face, yo. I got that shit on my face, yo. I got that on my face, yo. Yeah. We still in this bitch, still got more stuff to do. But look at the view. That breath be being taken. But yeah, man, so I gotta go settle some stuff today. Get my parking pass and stuff. I got more food last night. I gotta unpack all of that and like store it and everything. So I don't want my room to look too colored. But a lot of y'all think I got too much. I don't, because this still gotta get packed. And those drawers are empty, and those are empty, and one of those is like semi-empty. So yeah. Then I got storage containers under my bed that are empty as well that I gotta put inside of each other. So we're gonna do all of that today. We're gonna explore the dormitory today. Yeah, I don't think I'm leaving today. I think I'm gonna just run around, see what's what before everybody else comes, like on the main day, and then see where I have to do this training at for this ambassador junk. And yeah, bro, this is like breathtaking. I'm seeing everything that's going on. There's like so many different life forms of life, like inspiration, bro. Everybody out here has their own agenda. It's just based on how they're gonna all execute today. You give it 24 hours. It's up to you what you do with those 24 hours. But yeah, man, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna get back at you guys when everything gets finished, and yeah.
But now she got me 38, talking about some watch the kids. So what, you left my nigga? No nigga, I did. Don't give a fuck, cause guess what? Yeah, nigga still hit. While they watching Caillou, I'm gripping this bald-headed little bitch. Now I'm swerving on the eye, drip inside a Jeep. Chop out the window, tears, so screaming out free 23.